Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Ginalyn Bayantasa Valenzuela,
Okay, how old are you?
25 years old,
And you're from? What is your nationality?
Philippines,
Okay, you're a Filipino. Are you single or married?
single.
You're single. Okay, so when would you be able to start working here in UAE? When can you start or where can you join? When?
Even this month or July,
So
any
anytime you can start. You can start anytime.
anytime.
Do you have relatives here in UAE?
My
Relatives.
mother.
Your mom is here. Okay. So please describe your last job.
So,
What was your last job? Describe your last job as a nanny. As a nanny for the family.
I'm a nanny with three child before, but since it was it's only 1 year, but I have many experience to be with that.
Okay. So you looked after 3 children?
Yes,
Okay. So you
yes,
said it's
ma'am.
11, 10, and 5. Right?
Yes,
Okay. So
yes,
what were
ma'am.
your duties and responsibilities as a nanny for those children? What were your duties?
I can
Mm-hmm. What were your duties? Do you take them to school? Feed them? What?
all the responsibility as a nanny.
Mm-hmm.
I can do.
No, your responsibility when you work as a nanny. What were those responsibilities?
Um, I can carry I can carry him to school to home. I
So
can
you accompany them to school. You're in charge of the pick and drop of those kids to school, right?
yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what did you enjoy doing in your last job? What did you enjoy doing in your last job as a nanny?
I really like a children, so I enjoy when I have this
Okay, you love
nanny.
children. You love children. That's why you enjoy working as a nanny. Okay.
Yes,
So do you
ma'am.
know how to cook?
Basic.
Basic only. Okay. Are you
Basic.
willing to learn? Are you willing to learn?
What? Why? Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to learn? Yes. Okay. So can you
Yes.
follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
follow? Okay. So what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Playing
Uh-huh. Aside from playing, what else?
and
Hmm?
cooking, ma'am.
What's that?
Um,
Aside from playing,
wait,
do you help them with their school
with
assignments?
her assignment. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Homework.
Okay. So what do they like about you? What do the children like about you? What do they like about you, the children? Hmm? What do they like about you?
Um,
Yes. Okay. So, as a nanny, could you say no to a child? As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
like what?
No, like for example, the child is asking for the knife or the scissors. Are you going to say yes? Are you going to give it to
No.
them? No. If it is
No.
bad for the children or
Cannot
dangerous
say
for them,
yes.
you have to say no. Okay. So what kind of a nanny are you? Describe yourself. What qualities do you have that makes you a good nanny? Mm-hmm.
disciplinary person,
Disciplinary. Okay, so what else? Are you loving, caring to the children?
loving, caring.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're loving and caring to the children. Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from maidcv.com. Thank you.